Welcome back to another video, my loves and my lovelies. Another garden update. Everything pretty much still looks the same. A little burnt from the sun. The sun tanned it to pieces, y'all. My little bell pepper is almost time for it to come off. I had to put my shade back over my plants. I'll show y'all in a minute why. These are the okra plants right here, y'all. They just growing away. Growing. Y'all look back at the other videos so y'all can see how small they were. And the onions are still growing. But look at that lettuce, y'all. Y'all know I did that lettuce from seed. I did these lemon cucumbers from seed. It's time for me to transplant them. I probably should have already transplanted them, because they hanging all over now. But look at that lettuce, y'all. And of course the tomato plant. My little tomato still growing. But we have some blooms, so we'll have a few more coming soon. I love me some tomatoes, y'all. I don't know what happened. Well, I do know what happened to my lavender plant. The sun burned it up. But if anybody know how I can try to save the last little strawberry plant that I have, please let me know down in the comment section, because I already have one over here that is dead and gone, and this one here is dying. I don't know what's going on with the strawberry plants. It's like I can't grow strawberries to save my life. And Lord, the cucumber plants, the sun is tearing them up. But I do have blooms on it, but I'm finna move them back on the other side over there in the shade. But the sun is cooking them bad boys, y'all. Pray for my cucumber plants. Got a couple of blooms on this jalapeno. Yeah, so all the plants are looking good. Looking good. We had an explosion of freaking caterpillars, y'all, that was crawling like trillions of them everywhere. But yeah, it's just a quick update on the plants. I can't wait to harvest some of this lettuce. I love some lettuce. The okras are doing so good. But yeah, if y'all see anything that I can improve on in my garden, please leave it in the comment section. I do read the comments. So if you know more, well, of course, if you know more than I know, because like I'm just getting started growing my own food. So if you know how I can get it a little bit better, especially with those strawberries over there. I know what's wrong with the cucumbers. The sun, I got to get them out the sun, because it's been like 100 degrees, a little over 100 degrees lately. But yeah, put them back over here, because I have to move them all the time. You see the spots where they normally are. I have to move them as the sun rises and sets. So pray for my cucumbers. But yeah, please leave comments in the comment section. I do read comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.